that it has to be taken up today itself, then it becomes difficult because you have to give certain space. I only added as an additional point that there were other members who raised other issues also. So it is wrong on your part to say that there is no other issue of other parties. Other than 12 opposition parties, there are other political parties who represent different states. So don't deny the right of others. While putting forward your demand, you have right to put forward. You cannot reject other conditions. However, I am saying again, the matter related to whatever you call it, special intensive revision or electoral reforms or whatever, I have stated before the beginning of the winter session that government is not averse to taking up discussion for anything. But yesterday you were quite considerate. You said that, okay, you can enlarge the topic of discussion. You can make different headline topics. I am not opposed to that. The only thing I am referring to today is, please give some time. While there are other business which are listed can be taken up, the demand which you have put forward has not been rejected. So don't presume that government is not ready to discuss on any matter.
So, 1 minute. The same subject again and again, I cannot ask the minister to respond. He has responded it. We have to give some time. Yes, it is agreed in the Business Advisory Committee yesterday that let them come. Let the government come with. Yeah.
Yesterday, after the BSc meeting was over, after you have left, we discussed with the minister. We also gave the topic and all. He said he would come back to us by 9 p.m. Sir. Now let him tell, not to wait any time, sir. Let him tell some time. Yesterday he told 9 p.m., but he has not come back to us. We are waiting.
You want to respond? No. You sit down. Sit down. No. You please sit down. Hey, you please sit down. You please sit down. Dada, buzun, Dada. Please, buzun, Dada. No. Please, buzun. Please, buzun. No. Please, buzun. Honorable Minister of Parliamentary Affairs. Honorable Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, are you in a position to give a time frame?
Once I have already, with the guidance of the Honorable Chairman, I have already stated that we will come back soon. If you insist on the timeline, you can create. The timeline is set by you. I am obliging. I'm obliging the direction of the chair. What I'm saying is, once again, please don't put conditions on the timeline. However, I can say that we will try to come back as soon as possible.
The problem is, timeline is not the problem. The problem is a trust deficit. The whole session, they did not have a discussion. How can we trust them? How can we trust them? What timeline? We want a discussion today. What timeline?
How we can discuss today?
Sir,
even if we discuss where to be allowed, it has to be decided by the BSc. Nah, you please sit down. Now, Sri Rajendra Gupta.
Honorable Chairman, sir, thank you for giving me this opportunity. I am humbled to speak the first time during a tenure as a Member of Parliament. I raise to request to urgent.
Derek ji, this is not the rational. Rajendra Gupta ji, are you addressing or not?
Sir, the urgent operations of Shahid-e-Azam.
Rajendra ji, you address to the chair.
Yeah.
You don't address. Please, by day.
Sir, Sir, urgent operations of Shahid-e-Azam
Derek ji,
Yes.
Derek ji, you please. Are you, Rajendra ji, are you? I will explain later. Okay. Sri Raghav Chanda. Sri Raghav Chanda.
Sir, Chadda.
Jadda. Sri Raghav Chanda. Sadda.
CHADH.
Sadda. Sri Raghav Chadda.
Sir, as much as I wish to address this important issue, the House doesn't seem to be in order.
No, you address to me. I am giving you the chance, you address to me.
But sir, there is a...
No, you are having a mic, you address to me. You address to the House.
Sir,
If you are not addressing, then I have to call others.
sir, the House is not...
No.
How can I raise this?
No, you can speak now. You are speaking to me now. You should,
No, but
should
sir, the
speak.
House is not in order. Everyone
Now-
is over speaking.
Now, Raiga Krishnaya. Sri Subhash Chandra Bose Pillai. Sri Subhash Chandra Bose Pillai. Sir, I am allowing you, but you are not allowing the house to run. What I have to do, you tell me. No. This
We want-
nobody. They are not saying. They are not denying. If they are denying,
They
there
will
is.
go, sir. I know. They will go up to 19.
No, you have to wait.
So my request is to you, you allow us to discuss SIR. It is very important issue.
The government-
Not only people are dying, but
the
throughout country,
now
they
now,
want to kill the democracy.
No.
That's what they are doing.
Nothing will go on records. Now, nothing will go on records except Sri Abdul Wahab.